I have changed my sewing room around so many times. This is what it's looking like this week. Let me just say that because it might change again. This thing here used to be over here on this wall. And then I recently picked up this chair, this vanity chair, to go with the new sewing table. I did get the case that I wanted to go over the Juki machine. This is a pattern that I'm planning to work on next. This chair is so cute to me. It comes in different colors. I did get it on Amazon. This is like a faux fur. And what I really like is that this comes off. So inside of here, I just have the foot pedal and the pieces that I want to use for my baby lock machine, the cord, the knee lift, and the foot pedal. So I keep those in there. And then I also like the fact that this seat here, this back portion, can fold down. I like that. And then the legs are like golden. And I like to keep the back up. But yes, I love this little vanity chair. I think it's perfect for this table situation. I want to use some scraps for my next project, and I have so many in here. Denim and a lot of different wovens that aren't denim, and some knits, quite a few pieces. So I want to make some shorts, and I'm just going to put some stuff together and see what I can come up with. The pattern that I'm planning to make is a vintage pattern. This is Simplicity 5839, and I really want to make the shorts. Summer is coming, and I think the shorts are just so adorable. I love the pockets on the front, and then it has elastic in the waist. So I'm thinking it shouldn't be too hard. This pattern is from 1973. So I'm going to go ahead and see what I can come up with as far as putting all the different scrap pieces together. I bought this pattern from a shop that resells patterns, and they did not verify that all the pieces were in the pattern before they sold the pattern. So I was pulling out all the patterns, hoping and praying that all the pieces were in the pattern. And for this pair of shorts, I need 6 pattern pieces, and they were all in there. So I'm so happy about that. I've been hanging some pieces up on my dry erase board to move them out of the way as I go. This pattern is a size 8. It's only one size in the envelope. So I'm going to cut out the shorts. That makes it easy as far as cutting, since it's just one size to cut around. And I will need a zipper. I didn't buy a zipper because I should have one that will work out just fine. The back of the shorts are going to be in this light colored cotton fabric, and then the dark denim will be used for the rest of the pieces. I ended up using a baby blue zipper for the front, and I have the pockets on. I'll be using these buttons to go in the waistband area of the shorts, and this is how the shorts look in the back with a different fabric, and this is the front with the dark denim. I finished the shorts, and afterwards I decided to go out and get a bite to eat. I stopped by Pieology, and it was a little warm in the store, so I started taking off my jacket, which is a Simplicity coat that I always wear. I was talking to my mom, and the pizza came out, and I was so excited. I could not wait to eat. I finished the shorts, so I will be sharing with you what they look like. I am not a coffee drinker, but I was in Sprouts the other day and I saw this decaf, cold brew, and I was like, okay, I'll give it a try. I like coffee flavor, but I'm just not one who drinks like a hot coffee in the morning. If I have a hot beverage, usually it's a hot chocolate, but just wanted to give this a try. So I bought this creamer. This is French vanilla dairy-free creamer. Just put a little bit in here. So I bought this a couple days ago, and I've had like one little coffee a day. The other day, I didn't know what I was doing because I had never tried this before. So when I had it the first time, I put way too much of this creamer, and it was just too sweet. So I've been making adjustments, trying to get used to how it should be. I was just going by how it looked, like I didn't want it too dark. But anyway, it's pretty good. Oh, it's kind of bitter. Let me put a little bit more. But yeah, it's pretty good. But I'm excited about the shorts. I found 2 tops that I made already that I'm going to pair the shorts with. They are simplicity tops. One of them is a simplicity top, and the other one is a new look shirt. So I'll be sharing that with you soon. Here's the simplicity top with the shorts. They just so happen to match. Like, I made this top a long time ago. Look at my stomach poking out. But here are the shorts, and then they have the elastic in the waist, and then there's a button here on the side, and then a snap. I put a snap on the inside. The pattern called for another button, but I just did a snap. I love this top. I'm always pairing it up with different jeans, and I really like it. Okay, so here's the shirt. This is a new look shirt, and I can wear the shirt with the top and the shorts together. So that's another look. The only change that I made to the shorts pattern is that I did lengthen it about 1 inch. Another look that I like is to roll the bottom of the shorts up, like to cuff them. I think that's a cute look. So I cannot wait to wear this together when the weather warms up. But yeah, let me show you what the shorts look like with the shirt. Now these 2 pieces look like they were meant to be worn together. I made this shirt last year. This fabric was from Hobby Lobby, and this is how it looks with the shorts. So I really like this, and I love, you know, I can roll the sleeves up. I love having the different options and different ways that you can wear the shorts. Again, I could fold the hem up at the bottom for another look. I think that that's cute. I am ready for the warm weather now. I stopped by Target to pick up a few little random items that I needed for the house. I had a taste for some vegetable stew or vegetable soup, so I decided to come home and get to cooking. I'm just cutting up all the potatoes and rinsing them off. I love a lot of potatoes in my stew, and I don't put any meat, no beef or anything. Here I'm adding a little bit of tomato sauce and some frozen vegetables. Stirring everything all together, letting it thicken up.
I do add a couple of bay leaves also, and I sauteed some mushrooms to put on top.